Hello guys, today I will make video about all-wheel drive drifting. Because I have got requests in my comments. So how to tune 4-wheel drive car for drifting. First of all, get max power and weight reduction. Then get race suspension for adjustability. I prefer to drift on slicks because slicks have more grip than other tires. Now let's get into adjustments. Don't use any traction control. Use ABS if you like, but it's not must-have. Don't use as much steering assist as you would with rear-wheel drive car. I use between 70 and 85. Set differential lock to over 75. Use more rear tire pressure to keep rear end sliding. Use gearing that you get enough power with. Then set rear anti-roll bar little bit lower than front arb. Use max steering angle. I don't like to use Ackerman. Then set front camber between 3 to 0.5 and don't use rear camber. Steer more to inside than you do with RWD.
Here, slam the brake, just to clear. Time starts unwinding, the freedom is frightening. Lean back and just let it go closer to your inner soul. Feeling the fire, the pit of desire. Lose your fear on the next break, spin it out in a fast take. Excited here.
So that's it for today. If you like to request videos, just make comment about it. If you like this video, subscribe and like. If you did not, tell me what I did wrong.